Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix for your connection is not private. This is the problem for the Google Chrome. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for check the system date and time. You will go to the click to search bar, search the setting, get click to open, see the time and language and set it to see the date and time. Then click to set it to you will set time to automatically and set time automatically. You will this two file get on. Okay, then go to the second step for clear cache the Google Chrome. Then get open the Chrome. Then you will click to the triple dot and click to the settings. After click to the privacy and security, you will see the this page open to you will select the clear browser data. Then set it to always you will get set it to click to the clear data. Okay. Then go to the third step for update the Google Chrome. Anyone update pending the Google Chrome to you will get updated. For you will same method for you will click to the triple dot, then click to the settings. At the same time for you will click to the about Chrome. Okay. Then set it to you will check the any update is pending to you will click to set it to get update. Okay. Or this is not updated to you will click to the plus icon, then you will search the Google Chrome download. Then you will set it to click to select the first option, then click to the then see to this website, then you will set it to get started the Windows, then click to the download and installation file. Then click to set it to get download to get installed. Okay. Then this three step is finished to you will click to the Windows icon. Get restart your PC or laptop to this problem is for solve it. After check this error for fix this problem. Okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment. Then thank you for watching.